Hey there, if you're managing a Confluence workspace, you probably know how quickly pages can pile up and become outdated. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to automatically archive old Confluence pages using the platform's built-in automation tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a hands-off system in place, so your team always sees what's current and you don't have to manually sweep up digital cobwebs. Let's dive right in. We're going to use Confluence's native automation features, which is by far the most direct and reliable way to archive content that hasn't been touched in a while. You don't need to install extra plugins or write scripts. Everything you need is already inside Confluence. Start by heading over to your space settings. If you want to set this archiving rule for just one part of your workspace, click on Space Settings, then find the Automation tab. On the other hand, if you're an admin and want this to keep things tidy across the whole site, go to your site's global settings and select Automation from there. Take a deep breath, you're in the right place. Now, instead of starting from scratch, let's save some time by using a ready-made template. Look for Archive Inactive Pages when scheduled. This template is designed exactly for this purpose, scanning your content on a regular basis and archiving whatever gone stale. Think of it like setting up an automatic spring cleaning for your documentation. Once you've picked the template, you'll need to tell Confluence how often to run this automation. This is the trigger, and it's super flexible. Set it to check weekly, monthly, or whatever fits your team's workload. For most teams, monthly works well. It's frequent enough to keep things fresh but won't overwhelm anyone with notifications or changes. Now here, where you get to define what outdated actually means. Confluence lets you use branching logic, which basically means you can scan every page and only act on the ones that meet your criteria. The most common filters are pages not modified in the last 3 months or pages that haven't been viewed for a certain number of days. For example, if a page hasn't been touched or looked at in over 90 days, it's probably safe to say it's not front and center for your team anymore. This part is important because you want automation to catch the right content, not just anything old. After setting your criteria, decide what should actually happen, and this is where the magic happens. Choose Archive Page as the action. Don't worry, archiving doesn't delete pages. It simply clears them from your workspace and files them away safely in case you ever need them later. It's like moving papers into a filing cabinet instead of tossing them out for good. If you want to go the extra mile, you can add a step right before this to notify the page author by email. That way, there are no surprises. Maybe someone about to update that old process doc. You're just giving them a little nudge before it gets tucked away. You might be surprised how often this gentle reminder prompts someone to refresh a page instead of losing it to the archives. Finally, give your rule a clear name so you and your teammates know exactly what it's doing. Something like Monthly Archive Inactive Pages works great. Then go ahead and turn it on. And that's it, your Confluence space is now self-cleaning. Outdated docs are archived automatically, freeing up your team's attention for what truly matters. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment below if you have questions about customizing your rules, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Confluence tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.